this is the frogs and I'm the understudy. Whichever one of us squeals, or even winces, is not a real god.
Right. Bend over, the pair of you. What's the matter? Did that hurt?
Is it really? I didn't feel a thing.
Oh, little horseback!
Tears to your eyes.
There's a smell of onions.
Sure you didn't feel anything?
You're wasting your time. There's too much padding down there. Try up here, next to the ribs.
No, I've got a better idea. Try turning around this way.
Up Poseidon!
Hurry, Freddy, stand up! Oh! I'd quite forgotten about the Festival of Hercules at the Domium.
Oh, hyacinth bolts!
Would you mind taking a splinter out for me? Greg!
Well, I'll be damned if I can tell which one of you is a god. Come inside, my master and Persephone will be able to tell. They're gods themselves.
I wish you'd thought of that earlier.